IPTV for beginners can sound confusing at first, especially if you're used to cable or satellite TV. But don't worry, in this video we'll break down IPTV in a simple way so you can decide if it's right for you. What is IPTV? IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television. Instead of using cables or satellite dishes, IPTV streams TV content through the internet. If you've used Netflix or YouTube, you already understand the basic idea. Except IPTV also gives you live TV channels, movies, and shows in one place. What you need to start. To use IPTV, you'll need a stable internet connection, a compatible device like a smart TV, Android TV, Fire Stick, phone, or computer, an IPTV player app, and an IPTV subscription or playlist from a provider. For the best experience, use a stable internet connection, keep your apps updated, and start with a reliable IPTV provider. Visit our website today and start a free 3-day trial.